Hello class, we are going to discuss about Euclid's division lemma. Before that, I want to remind you guys of the long form of division we have learned in our primary classes. So that is nothing but, let's say you have two numbers, 70 and 50. So I am taking the lower number as the divisor, the number which we divide, the divisor, and the higher number as a dividend, the number which we divide. Dividend. Now, so if you want to solve this, we used to, so 50 ones are 50, that would leave us 20. So 20 is the remainder and 1 is a quotient. So this is the result obtained, whereas this is the number which is left over. If we want to write this in the form of an equation, we can simply write it as 70 equals to 50 into 1 plus the remainder 20. Let me keep this bracket in order to avoid confusion. So let's say I want to even further reduce this remainder to 0. So what I will next use this as the divisor and this as the dividend. So that would give us, so I would take 20 as the divisor, 50 as the dividend. So 2 22s are 40, so that would leave us a remainder of 10. If we write this again as in the form of an equation, that would give us 50 equal to 20 into 2 plus 10 again. So again, we still haven't come down to the remainder as 0, so let me solve even further. So again, I'm taking the previous divisor as the dividend and remainder as the divisor. So twice 10 2s are 20 minus. So now we got the remainder as 0. So now we can write the equation as t equal to 10 into 2, plus 0. Now this number, this is the final divisor which would give us the remainder as 0. So this can also be taken as HCF, the highest common factor. If you want to check, you can check it out. For example, 70 and 50 can both be divided by 10. So these both numbers are divisible by 10. So this is the highest common factor that lies in between 70 and 50. So instead of using the method we have learned in our primary classes, we can use this. So if we want to write this equation in form of an algorithm, that would give us A equals to B Q plus R. A equals to B Q plus R, where A and B are positive integers and Q and R are unique numbers where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. This, you can see that this relationship can be applied to all the three equations above. So this is known as Euclid division algorithm. This fun fact, this algorithm has been used for programming before. This was one of the simplest algorithm has been carried out on a computer. So this is Euclid's division algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but a set of instructions you can give so that could be carried out for any set of numbers.